Alright, welcome back. It is time to talk about the best techniques for inserting, deleting, hiding, and unhiding columns and rows. You can fill new data in table in Excel only by adding new rows or new columns. The easiest way to add a new row, for example, for row above row 12, is to point to row 12 and right-click, then insert, and add the new row inserted. Pretty straightforward, right? This technique is useful if you only have one data table. But in this worksheet, we have two tables. Notice that the new row was implemented in both data tables. We have to find another method to insert a new row only in table 1. So the bottom line here is to careful when you are using the insert row method. Let's undo. With Ctrl+Z, select the specific data from the first table in row 12 from A12 to E12. Okay, now right click, insert, and from this insert dialog box, select the option shift cell down and OK. Take a look. Now the table with countries is intact. For the lovers of the keyboard, there is a shortcut for it. Ctrl++ to activate insert, and similar Ctrl+- to activate delete. Let's try them with Ctrl+. The insert dialog box opens, and with Ctrl- delete dialog box open. That's simple. Undo again. Sometimes we have to insert 2 or 3 new rows or columns. For example, before columns B and D, highlight these 2 columns with the Control key and then insert. We get a new column to the left of those 2 columns. To delete the new columns, we follow a similar way. Hold down Control again, highlight them, right-click and delete. Now, I want to show you a really quick, really efficient way to hide data. Usually, I want to hide data if I don't want to print them. Again, hold down the Control key, highlight the rows you want to hide, right-click and hide. To unhide a specific row, you highlight the rows above and below this, right-click and unhide. Of course, if you have many hidden rows or columns, a nice trick is to click in the upper left corner, right-click and unhide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.